thank you guys. Welcome again to we, long time no see ya. Okay. Okay. Okay, today I will present to you the seriously presentation. Yeah. This is the heart to making this. Okay. Okay. Okay, next. Okay, next. I will present to you of the basic developer skill because my level is past to level 2. The purpose to share to you for the leadership. Okay, and this moment I will present to you of the basic leadership in skill. Okay, next. Okay, the first. Next. Okay. Okay. What is this next? What is this the leadership? What do you want? What do you know about the leadership? Your opinion? Yeah, Pak Sarasa? Your last hand? What is the leadership? No. You can your about opinion for the leadership.
Okay, leader is lead and then plus er, so you lead the ship, so leadership.
Okay, good. I agree with you. 1,000 for you. Okay. So for me and the people, the leadership is the person's ability to lead, influence, and the inspiration other to achieve a goal together. Okay, right? Okay, thank you. Next. Okay, and then we must to become to leadership. Next. Next. Yeah. We must have the same characteristic. Must to become a leadership. You can see the leadership must to be listener, the good listener, and the loyal, and the harness energy. D for dedicated and the reliable, proactive, passionate, helpfully, and inspiration. So this is the spelling of the leadership. Maybe you must have the sum, maybe all the character that to become the good leadership. Something like that you must have the energy, yeah. So you will be team. Come on, join the meeting. Come on, spirit. Different is it? Meeting, yeah. It's different to motivate to our member, yeah. So you need the special character for the make the leadership. Okay. So especially the leadership must to have the ability and the vision, because you can see in the metric ability and ambition in the graph. If you have the high ability but the ambition is low, you just the leadership as sleeper. Sleeper. So you have the high ambition but the low ability. You must the leadership just the dreamer. Oh, I want to eat, I want to know, I want to yes, I want to that, I want to gitulah kata. So you if you want to the good leadership, you must the good high ambition and the good ability. So you can the good leader. You can see in the photo, yeah, the good leader. So I trust to you is the leader, and the leader, and also to the good leader. You can to become the good leader. Give a round of applause for all. Thank you, Bataya. Thank you. So this is special for us today. Okay. Okay, next.
Is it on or not?
Yeah,
Is it on or not?
yeah. This is the I will tell the some skill need if you want to the leader. You can see the first knowing the resource of the group, the communicating. You must do good communicate with the member and the other. You must do good the planning. The planning if you want to achieve a goal with the team, and then you control the group performance, evaluating also, because if you make the some goal or the plan, you must the evaluasi and the evaluasi and the setting example, the sharing the leadership, counseling, and the effective teaching. Okay. Okay, yeah, this is the sample for the knowing the resource of the group. Maybe the member have the different, yeah. So easy to change or the difficult to change. Maybe if easy to change, if the can you skill knowledge, you can the train your member, you can the role model to member how to you skill good or the knowledge new member for new member, but difficult to change is the sample the attitude or character, because the attitude character is the maybe basic, yeah, maybe basic need more time for the change to the good person, but it's not no problem. So still we can to become a good leader together. Yeah, okay, good leader. Okay, thank you. This is must the leader must to have the good information and giving information for all goal in unit, and then the planning also. You have the must with the planning. How to you to achieve a goal with the team, yeah, something like that. And the calling out performance, evaluating, the setting example. You must menjadi role model to our member. Okay, something like that. Yeah, counseling, and then the effective teaching. Okay, maybe enough for me. This is the quote for today. The first responsibility of the leader is to define the reality. The last is to say the thank you. In the between the two, the leader must become servant and do the back of the terms to progress of the natural of the leader. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you. So today I want to try to giving inspiration, yeah, but I don't know whether it will inspire you or not. But I want to talk about Indonesia, as this theme of today is national identity. But first of all, I want to ask maybe to Toastmaster Sony. Toastmaster Sony? I want to ask you, rate 1 to 10, how much you love Indonesia?
10.
Give a round of applause. So, seberapa cinta Sony sama Indonesia itu? 10, ya, perfect, ya, 10 of 10. So, I want to share about the song. If you ever heard this, Wonderland Indonesia?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
So this is the song from Alfie Rev with Novia, and I know this song since the first time release, yeah, but why I choose this song to share with all of you, because last time I joined the concert Alfie Rev in Bandung. So it is my first time seeing Wonderland Indonesia in live concert, seeing like how the musician Indonesia have a great taste of music, and also having the kind of nationalism in the song, with the song. Next. Oh. So this song is the song is about Indonesia itself, but it has the more animation in CGI, but it can be our imagination of Indonesia for mass of culture Indonesia, because in this video we can see the beautiful of Indonesia and also the beautiful culture of Indonesia, like the what is baju adat, yeah, baju adat, something like that. The Novia that's singing the song using the baju adat in this video, and also the lyric is not only about Indonesia, in lirik Indonesia, but also in lagu kebangsaan Indonesia, like Padamu Negeri, Bagimu Negeri, like that. I just love this song because maybe we think that nationalism is like we go to the war or patriotism, like that, but it is not only like that. As this can be our inspiration, that most people can be having a great national identity, like knowing the national identity by their their style, maybe by singing the song, or maybe making the music, or maybe some content the other, like that. But there's so much way. But for me, this is one of example that we can see, because from this song we can see how Indonesia is beautiful and how the culture is so difficult, so what is that? Bervariasi, have many variation from the people, diversity. So we, even in Indonesia, sometimes we feel like the government having some trouble on something, maybe some role is not fit to us, but we know that every nation have their kelebihan kekurangan, but still we have to be ensure that we have national identity, like Toastmaster Sony, 10 of 10. Even Indonesia have many problem, but we know that we believe that Indonesia have so much culture and everything that we sometimes did not realize that. Next, please. So this is the study from Charles Sanders, Semiotics of the Music, regarding the video of Wonderland Indonesia. So with this video, the message of nationalism, Wonderland Indonesia, people can have a sense of devotion, like devotion, kebanggaan gitu ya, merasa memiliki, have a courage in defending Indonesia, self-determination, so as not to be shaken, purity of heart, and have unyielding spirit and spirit that never goes out. So that's the studies that can be the evidence, like from this song we can also make our national identity more be in our self. So why I want to share about this last quote, I think, because as Toastmaster Nico said, that we are a leader, yeah? So we are young here, so we are a leader for our nation. So the youth of today are the leaders for tomorrow. I think that's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, thanks, TM Sonic. I think identity is most related about work job, so I would like to share my job before I joined to JBL. My work before I joined to JBL is one of pharmacy industry. It's called brand Sunday Pharma. I got a supervisor in utility water system in department engineering. So I would like to explain to you how we make a good water. Okay, next slide, please. Okay, the first one, this is the machine. We collect all the water and transfer into this tank. This tank is with stainless steel 3016L. This is less carbon. So this is the food grade, and it can heat transfer heat with good. So that in pharmacy there's no apa ya, dust or anything because this is sterile area. You must wear a backpack and wear glasses and some band hair, so no hair, no dust, no bacterial in this area. Okay, next slide please. Okay, the first rule in water system is you can't let the water stagnant. Like maybe this water, this water is I can't. This water is stagnant, but in pharmacy it can't allow water is stagnant because when it's stagnant, the biofilms can live in this water. You can make a colony in this water. That is the rule number one for the pharmaceutical. That's what called dead lake. You can't allow stagnant water. So we transfer, and the flow water is always continuous 24 hours in a day. But why this water can stagnant and be still a good water? And I bring this. This is the earrings. Always make a prop. These drugs, always contain stagnant water. But why it's still good? Because it's not contain oxygen, hydrogen. So bacteria can live in this tube. Sounds like the water in that bottle. So bacteria can live in this tube, but if you open this tube or this bottle, like this, okay, I will drink. The oxygen is come inside the bottle, and the biofilm, the bacteria, bacteria will live in this bottle, even if you still close the bottle. The bacteria still can live in this bottle. And this is what I learned about pharmacy. This is maybe the basic knowledge. After you open this drugs, you can have 30 days to use this drugs. After the 30 days, you can throw it away because it's not drugs anymore. It's a toxin. Why? Because the bacteria will come inside this bottle, this tube, and if you still use the drugs, it's not function anymore. So this is not still. Okay, next slide, please. This is the pipe for the biofilm. The pharmacy is not allowed the dead lake. If I put this valve like this, the water will stagnant in here. So we will make a biofilm. Biofilm is like this. This bacteria will more company or colony is make a rush in this pipe. Next slide, please. It looks like this. This is the inside of pipe. This is the bacteria. If you put the water in stagnant, this will make a colony. It will live in this tube. Okay, next slide, please. this is the real life in your pipe. Will maybe this is pipe on your home. This life on millions of bacteria. That's why we can't drink with tap water in Indonesia, because we can flush or clean the pipe. This pipe. Okay, next slide, please. Okay, the next one is expired date. This is the still basic knowledge for pharmacy. After that, if I make a pharmacy industrial, you know the expired date maybe for 20 years. After I make industrial, I can't wait 20 years to solve this item, right? So why we know the experience for these drugs? We make a time machine. This time machine is maybe after we make this is the 100% of drugs, but after 1 month maybe this is 98%. So we can calculate after for 10 years or maybe 20 years what percentage of these drugs. That is the time machine we make. Okay, next slide please. Okay, this is the machine. It's still shiny. This is machine for your infus. If you have a sick and got infus, I know it. It come from this machine. Okay, next slide please. This is called pure water. Before water for injection or infused water, we make water from this machine. Okay, next slide please. It's steam generator. So the pipe is always clean because this machine we make transfer a pipe with head from steam. So the pipe is always clean and sterilized. Next slide please. Okay, thank you. That's all for me.
Okay, thank you very much, everyone, dear fellow Toastmaster and also guests. As a human and also a social creature, we need skills in every aspect of our lives. There are so many skills that we should have to improve our lives. There are so many skills that we should have to increase or to improve our lives. And one of the skills is communication skills. Communication skill is very fundamental to our life because, again, as human and also social creature, we cannot avoid to make relationship to any other people, to communicating, to sharing, and also to learning. Of course, we need media to make it, and which is communication. And many ways to improve our skills, and one of it is mentoring and coaching. And finally here, thank God, we are at Toastmaster. We have a mentoring programs, which is an organized way to pairing the new members with an experienced member, so the new member can achieve the goals easier than usual. And talk about mentoring and coaching, maybe it's familiar for us, that familiar words. What's exactly the difference between mentoring and coaching? Okay, there are many lists of the difference, but I'll make it easier for you. I'll make it, mentoring is refer to the long term, and so many subject of the that has been to transfer to the protege, while the coaching is a short goal and also usually in specific subject, something like that. So back to the communication skills. Please raise your hands if you agree with me that communication style is very important to your life. Please raise your hand who agree with me. Okay, thank you very much. I think you are all agree that communication style is very important for life. And again, about the mentoring, I have a story of mine. The story from previous years. It's happened in 2003 when I was working at my previous company. In that previous company, I was a bench work operator. You know, bench work operator, the operator that the duty is to make the sub edge into the brick edge, something like that. Yeah, bench working. And then I became interested to be an operator, CNC operator. And then I have a friend, and he became my mentor. And the mentoring is began when I have the willingness to improve my skills. His name is Hadian, and I became learning. He teach me everything. He teach me everything about the fundamental of CNC machining, and also about knowledge about the machining itself, also about tools, how what to set up, and also he teach me about the problem solving when we got problem in machine, how to overcome it, something like that. And time goes by, and after 2 months, I learned many things about CNC machining, and luckily my previous company opened internal vacancy for CNC operator, and then I applied to that position, and my boss asked to me, so why do you want to apply to this position? Yes, I said that I have been mentoring by someone, and I'm learning about many things about that, and I apply to that. And finally, I become a CNC operator from like that. What I want to say here, mentoring for me is very impactful to my life successful. Even in the small step, it have effect that visible for me. And mentoring also makes my way is easier to reach my goal, because we don't have to be fail or trying and over error and try again. We don't need, because we have mentor who have the experience and show the way, the fastest and the easiest way. So I encourage you all, if you want to have improvement in your lives, maybe you can use this kind of way by mentoring or coaching. And trust me, it works. That's all. Thank you very much. And good night.